Namaste to all dear warriors and students. Here I am with a new video relating to another topic of income from house property, and in this we are going to discuss the in previous video we have discussed HRA exemption. Now we are going to discuss deductions under section 16. So please be careful with these things. These deductions under section 16, deduction under section 16, gross salary. See, standard deduction is there, compulsory to every employee, even for pensioner it is allowed, gross salary or 50,000, whichever is less. Suppose your gross salary income is 40,000, then deduction under standard deduction is allowed only 40,000, because gross salary or 50,000, whichever is less we are saying. Okay, 50,000 hai ya 40,000, which one is less? 40,000 is less, so how much you will get exemption? 40,000. Suppose it is 4 lakhs, gross salary is 4 lakhs, and maximum whichever statutory limit is 50,000. So which one is allowed as deduction? 50,000 will be allowed as deduction under section 16 subsection 1a. This is about standard deduction. It is provided to all employees, okay, irrespective whether government or non-government, everyone they will get. Then another one, entertainment allowance exemption, deduction under section 16 subsection 2. This deduction is allowed only to government employees, and least of the following is allowed as deduction. Maximum 5,000 rupees per annum, or actual entertainment allowance received, or salary formula is there, 20% of basic salary. Please remember, only on basic salary we need to calculate. Okay, this is about deduction relating to salary. Okay, so next, entertainment allowance is over. Deductions under section 16 subsection 3, professional tax or employment tax बोलते हैं. Okay, employment tax or professional tax. Deduction is allowed in the financial year of the payment where this tax is paid by employer on behalf of employee. First it will be added in the gross salary, then deduction is allowed. Simple, very simple. Professional tax paid by employees allowed as deduction under section 16 subsection 3. No doubt in that. But where employees professional tax, who is paying? Employer is paying. In that case, personal obligations of employee are met by employer will become perquisite. So first it will be added under the head perquisites first while calculating gross salary, then later you will get as a deduction under section 16 subsection 3. This is all about deductions. One more point, please remember, there is a new concept under new tax regime, section 115 BAC. If you are applying section 115 BAC, new tax regime, where tax is paid at lower rates, in that case, under the head salaries, all these deduction whatever are there, those will not be allowed. As well as one more thing, this partial exemption is there na, under section 1013A HRA. This exemption is also not allowed if you are calculating tax as per 115 BAC new tax regime Okay, related video already posted in my YouTube channel, you can find it from there. One more thing, here next, these special allowances are there. Special allowances, out of these special allowances these will be allowed, but part 2 exemptions are there. Allowances say, okay, up to 3200 for physically challenged person or divyang. Children education allowance per month 100 rupees per month, maximum 2 children. Hostel allowance 300 per month is exempt, maximum 2 children. Outstation allowance 10,000 per month or 70% of the allowance received, whichever is less. These special allowances of part 2 of section 14 will also not allowed if you are following 115 BAC new tax regime. Okay, might not be said to you in your colleges. This is new provision which is inserted last batch. Okay, last year से ये नया provision एक apply हो रहा. So it is an option. So option है 115 BAC. 115 BAC lower tax rates, new tax regime. It is a option. So assessee wants, they can take it, otherwise not. So this is all about exemptions and deductions relating to salary. Hope you have understood it. Like करो, share करो, सब तक पहुंचा दो, and share it with your friends because sharing is caring. सीखना बंद दो, जीतना बंद. जय हिंद.